Hello everybody, my subscribers and my viewers. Welcome back to me and mine, and if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I do welcome you to my channel. I wish you all a happy new year. I hope you all enjoyed the festive season. I can't believe it's been so long since my last upload. I've actually not uploaded since I went to St. Elizabeth because I've been so busy. Me and my girls are moving. I've managed to secure us a 2-bedroom house. Okay, so this vlog is going to be all about my move, the renting process and how to get in there. So security deposit has been paid, and I today applied for my electric via the JPS, which is the Jamaica Public Service, I believe, Jamaica Public Services. Okay, so I'm going to be talking you all through what's it called? I'm going to be talking you all through the process, okay, of applying for your electricity, applying for your Wi-Fi, and actually just moving home. So guys, bear with me. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I hope you will learn something, especially those that are coming out here this year. All right, girls. Okay guys, so when you're renting in Jamaica, your apartment does not come with electricity, okay? Electricity is something you have to apply for. Alright, so in order to apply for your electricity, you need to go to the JPS offices with TRN, proof of who owns the property. So because I'm renting, my landlord needed to give me proof that she owns the property. So what she's done is she's given me a tax receipt. Sorry guys, my kids are playing. A completed application form that you actually collect from the office. A letter from your landlord claiming that you are allowed to apply for the electricity from that address. And some ID. Okay, it's a fairly simple process. You can actually apply online. You don't have to go into the JPS offices. Okay, but I went into the office because it's a new application and it's the first time I've been applying. It's the first time I'm actually applying for electricity. I thought it made sense to go into the office rather than apply online, because a lot of the times when I try to do things online, I'm always hit with some issues, and I didn't want no issues. But you basically fill out the application form, you download the app, and you submit your application via the app. I was in and out within an hour. Okay, so electricity applied for. The next thing is the Wi-Fi. But there's no point in me applying for my Wi-Fi until I get my electricity. So no Wi-Fi as of yet. So today is the 3rd of January. My tenancy actually starts today, but I don't need to be out of here until the 9th, which is on Monday, the same day my girls go back to school. So I'm trying to sort out the logistics of things. Obviously, I can't move in without my electric. So I applied for that today. I've got to wait between 1 and 5 working days. So while I'm waiting for the electric, what I'm going to be doing is moving some of my stuff. So I've hired a car to do some of the moving for tomorrow. So yes, I hope you will enjoy the vlog and the journey, the moving journey, and let's get into it. So it's moving day today. Moving day in the sense that I'm picking up a car and I'm going to be moving my belongings. So this is where me and my daughters have been staying for the last 2 months, and I'm not gonna lie and say I'm not happy that I'm leaving here. Bloody grateful, mate. You know, it served its purpose. She's watching Peppa Pig. It served its purpose. You know, sorry, my place is a mess because I'm sorting out my stuff. But this is the small studio that I'm vacating, and I can't wait to get out of here, mate. Okay, let me show you guys the kitchen. A small kitchen. Okay. Outdated kitchen. Really needs some work, but what can I say? I've had a roof over my head for 2 months, but I'm not going to complain for too much. and then let's show you guys the bathroom. Okay, little bathroom, laundry. I've been washing by hand for 2 months. Sorry, please excuse the dirt. I've been washing by hand for 2 months. Still got washing to do, guys. But yeah, let's get this car. Okay everybody, welcome to my new home. At this point I had moved most of my belongings, so I thought I'd give you guys a short tour. Okay, so this is my entrance, my grill, my small veranda and my front door. This takes you straight into the living area. As you can see, I have an open plan kitchenette. I won't call that a kitchen, it's a kitchenette. This here is the living area. I've got glass windows as well as the, I don't know what you call those wooden things, flaps, I'm not quite sure, I'm sorry about that guys. But it's a 2-bedroom apartment which is an extension of the landlord's home. Okay, so it's attached to the main house. I won't be showing you the main house out of respect for the owners. You know, they don't know I have this YouTube channel, so I'm not going to show you the front of the house. But this is my backyard, okay, where I hang my clothes. There's a grill, as you can see. It's not really that safe for the girls. As you can see, there's no grass, so I don't really let them out there. The backyard is through the washroom, so I walk through the washroom to get to the backyard. This is bedroom number 1. This will be the girls' room. It's a 1-bathroom home, and it's en suite, which is what I like. There's a separate toilet in the washroom, which I also like because that's where I'll be sending my guests, so no one needs to go through my daughter's bedroom to use the bathroom. So nice little shower room, as you can see there. Their bedroom has 2 doors, which I like. Go out through the second door and you enter my bedroom. So this is the main bedroom. This is going to be my room. As you can see, the apartment is completely unfurnished and I have to buy everything from scratch. So those have been following me from the beginning of this YouTube channel and saw the amount of work I did on my home in London. I'll be doing the same thing here. So it's already decorated. I just need to really get a fridge, a freezer, a cooker, sofas, beds and so forth. But yes guys, this is home. I love the place. I do wish there was grass at the front of the house, but hey ho, you can't have it all. But yes, I'm home and all I can say is I love this place, I love this apartment, I love the area, I love the community. I've got nothing negative to say. At my apartment, I've had to come back to my landlord to collect the proof of ownership because the JPS are giving me problems. So I'm on my way to the JPS office now for the 2nd time this week to see if I can sort out this electric, because me and the kids are moving in on Monday and it doesn't look like the electric's going to be sorted in time. So we're going to be living with no lights. The lights I don't mind. My main concern is no electric means I can't charge my phones, I can't charge my electricals, I've got my kids in school. How can I have my kids in school and have a dead phone? You know, emergencies, teachers might need to contact me, so I might have to find alternative means of charging my phones and all my other stuff. But yeah, let's go back to the JPS office. Okay guys, brief update. So I've just come out of the JPS office and still not sorted. I apparently need a JP, Justice of the Peace, to write a letter stating that my landlord gives me permission to take out a contract on the premises. My landlord isn't having it and she says we're going to come down here together on Monday morning. So I'll be taking another trip down here on Monday, the day I actually move into the apartment. Fingers crossed it's sorted then, but I'll give you all an update, okay? Bye. Okay guys, so it's Sunday evening, Sunday the 8th, and I'm pretty much packed and ready to be out of this guest house. Checkout time isn't until 11 o'clock. No, sorry, 11:30. But deja vu, on the day I'm moving, both of my daughters return to school. One starts at 8, one starts at 8:30. So I've had to make sure I'm organised. I've had to make sure everything's packed away. All I've left out is the necessities for in the morning, for example, the toothpaste, toothbrushes, the rags and so forth. Little storage cupboard is empty now, but I need to stay, look at that. I need to give it a wipe before I go anywhere, because they never gave it to me like this, so I'm not quite finished yet, but I need to give that a wipe. Baby girl's fast asleep. And yeah, this is all I have left to carry with me tomorrow. I did most of the, I did most of the loading and unloading when I hired the car on Wednesday. So most of my things are at the apartment already, but this is just like the necessities. What have I got in there? And there's just like stuff that I've been using. I've got laundry in there, baby nappies, shoes, flip-flops in there, and all the food that was in my cupboard and in my fridge, cups and stuff. Girls' school bags are done, so I got to get baby to preschool. Now she's 2, she starts preschool, so I got to get baby to preschool tomorrow. That's her bag. This and this comes. Guys, if you know what was on that list, I'm knackered. But yeah, it's all done really and truly. So I'm looking forward to my last night. I can't wait to get into my apartment tomorrow and, you know, start my new chapter. So kudos y'all, see you lot tomorrow, okay? Morning guys, it's the next morning. I've managed to get my babies to school on time and I am ready. It's after 9 and I am checking out, okay? Got to meet my landlord at 9:30 because we have to go back down to the JPS this morning and try and sort that out. So let me have one last final look. Bye bye guest house. Bye bye guest house, thank you very much. Okay, I'm so glad to be out of here. I am so glad to be out of here. The place is empty. I've washed up. I've sort of tidied up. It's not spotless, but it will do. I'm in a rush, so. Right, let's go to the JPS, guys. Locking this door for the final time. My lovelies, I have successfully moved my belongings. I have been to the JPS. Fingers crossed. They keep saying 5 working days, but I explained that I've moved in. I've got 2 babies and I need my light as soon as. So apparently I've got a smart meter and that means I can get my lights as early as tomorrow. That's what the human says, but technology says, when I say technology, I mean the app tells me I've got to wait 5 days, so who knows. So what I've got to do is prepare myself for this evening, having no lights this evening, so I might get some candles, but I do have a torch here, so I'll see. But what I have to do now is try and find something for me and my daughters, not even me, for my daughters to sleep on, because this apartment is completely unfurnished, okay? I'm back at square one, in the sense that I've got a lot to do, like I did with my place in London. But guys, if you know me, I'm determined, I'm persistent, and I will get it done. It might take time, but I'll get there. So yeah, let me just show you all my little unfurnished. Okay, so this is all my stuff. Okay, I don't have time to put my things away because it's now after 12. I've got to get the girls between, one finishes at 2 and the other one finishes at 2:30. So what I'm going to do now is run back into Ocho Rios and attempt to try and find something to sleep on. I've been trying to find some blow-up beds and I can't find no blow-up beds anywhere. So next plan is possibly just get a bunch of pillows and some sheets and just make some homemade something on the floor for the girls, especially because I need them to be comfortable tonight. They can't sleep on these tiles, man. These tiles are hard. So yes, I'm not going to be filming that because I'm rushing, okay? I've got about just under 2 hours. So once I get back, God knows what time it's going to be because I've got no stove. I've ordered my stove. I ordered my stove on the 3rd. They said 5 working days. Today's the 9th. I've not heard nothing, so I've got no stove. So I've got to make sure I feed the girls before we get home, make sure I've got some snacks and stuff. They've got breakfast for in the morning. It's just organisation. I just need to organise myself so my girls are comfortable. So guys, I'll see you lot soon. Okay, I'm going to go back on the road and I might do some filming once I get back with the girls, okay? Oh, guys, so it's the morning after the day before and me and my babies spent our first night in our new home with no light. I'm currently unpacking. I'm pissed because I spent all last night with no light and look, candle in the barrel. I completely forgot I had the candle in my barrel, but that's good. We'll utilise this tonight. So yes, my kids, managed to get them to school safely, and I'm just currently unpacking and trying to make this place feel a little bit more homely. Okay, so going for my barrel, I've unpacked my food. I'm now going through the glasses and stuff. These things were in my barrel. They used to belong to my grandmother. I wasn't leaving them in the UK, sorry. Yeah, just, you know. Sorry, that's better. I had to flip the camera around. So yeah, just unpacking and trying to make this place feel like home. I'll leave shoes there for the time being. Now, I've only just realised how small my kitchen actually is. So I'm going to probably invest in one of those, you know, those traditional Jamaican glass cabinets where I can put more plates and glasses and stuff, because this isn't a kitchen, it's a kitchenette. But I'm not complaining, got a roof over my head. And then, don't mind my suitcases, I'm just making the girls' home feel a little bit homely. There, I've unpacked their books and their toys, okay, that they were all in the barrel, so when they get home from school they should be very excited to see those. And yeah, that's it really. Just going through my stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so it's probably going to take me a while to furnish this place, but you know what, I'm just going to take my time and do things bit by bit. At the end of the day, I managed to get us some yoga mats. So last night we slept on yoga mats. Too dark. Last night we slept on yoga mats and pillows, and I bought us a blanket, and the girls were absolutely fine. I'm so happy with how adjustable they are and how adaptable they are. They were absolutely fine, but you know what, they're so happy that they've got somewhere to live, as am I. And this is it. This is it now, guys. This is home. Okay, I just want to get settled now and just get my business up and running. There's so much I need to do with the business. It's going well. I'm building a little team. I've got painters, I've got tilers, I've got electricians, I've got plumbers. Just need the clientele now, you know, but this moving has slowed me down. So let me get settled and then I can focus on my, JA Land and Property Services. Okay, but I'm going to leave it here, guys. God knows when I'm going to get my electric. I'll update you once I've got my light and my Wi-Fi and all of those things. Still waiting for my stove. My order's still being processed. I actually need to go down to Courts and find out what's happening with my stove. Until then, we just have to improvise every day with regards to breakfast, lunch and dinner. So, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you are all doing good and we are going to catch up very soon, okay?